Hey YouTube, what the fuck?
Take one, action.
Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We about to do some new videos.
Take two, action. Action.
On my channel. I know y'all hear this chair. Anyways, if you like what you see, these Minnie Mouse inspired. What am I trying to say? That chair really threw me off. Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We about to do some new things on my channel. On my channel. So, y'all, I finally can put it into buns. If you like what you see, these Minnie Mouse inspired buns for my niece's birthday party, stay tuned. I'm gonna actually drop the flyer. The flyer is so cute. But yeah, stay tuned and make sure you like, make sure you comment, and make sure you subscribe first and foremost, because if you want to keep getting this heat, you gotta be a part of my game. I'm just saying, it's not a game. It's more, I don't know what we are. I don't. A part of me, okay? Just a part of this channel. But yeah, anyways, keep watching.
So the object of this, honestly, you guys, is just to make sure everything is slicky slick. I use the foam first and foremost. It helps me mold my hair into place. I feel like foam is like the key to a slicky slick. But yeah, just comb it through with my rat. I have an issue with this all the time. With my rat tail, just to make sure the product is evenly distributed all the way throughout. And then I use a Got2b styling gel. Honestly, y'all, I should have been using this. I've used it before, but I never thought to use it on my hair as it was growing, and I'm really upset because, no lie, it's slicked. Like, I kind of used it in place of like what I would usually use like Eco Styler for. I realized with Eco Styler, it only just curls my hair even more. With my hair being short, I don't need the curl factor, okay? I need the actual slicky slick part. So yeah, the brush, of course, you already know what the brush is for. Just to, you know, mold everything into place. And then boom. The reason why I didn't mold it all the way, in a sense, is because I wanted to make sure the baby hairs were together first. So I'm just going to do the same thing with the other side and just slick it up. So now that I have both sides slicked up and my edges down, I'm going to use the Flawless by Gabrielle Union's Edge Control to lay my edges. I've realized that slicking my edges down first always helped me to just mold everything together, because a lot of people do their edges after they already mold the ponytails, and my hair doesn't like that, because right when I try to slick those edges back into that ponytail, I gotta redo the whole ponytail. Let me know if you guys struggle with that too, because I literally see YouTubers and just regular, well, everybody's regular, but I just see regular people really do it like that, and I'm just like, how? Because I definitely have to do my edges first. If I don't do my edges first and then maybe come back and do my edges a little more maybe afterwards, it's not going to work. But yeah, just let me know down below. But that's pretty much it. I'm just getting my edges ready. And then boom, slicky slicky slicky. This process is really truly all about molding, so just make sure you use the products that are good for your hair to mold. I wouldn't use any products that really curl your hair up, because you really want the slickness, especially since we're not using heat. And yes, I used a little stick. The stick was just an extra layer of y'all know we like that little extra layer, better safe than sorry, just to make sure it's molded in slickiness. So I said molded in slickiness. That was not what I was trying to say. These voiceovers are so freaking hard, you guys. OMG. That's why I really just want to record the video just flat out, but it's like you have to do a voiceover, because you can't just sit there and talk through a whole video. It's going to be like an hour long instead of like, you know, yeah. But everything else is really honestly self-explanatory from this point on as far as the molding is concerned. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next scene, next clip, next thing that we do. Okay, now while everything is sitting pretty in my bonnet because I just took a shower, I only used one track from this old hair that I had, and I basically just took that one track and cut it in two because I didn't want too much hair in my bun. I mean, my head is only like little, you know, it's not that big, and I just knew that I just didn't need a big bun and only a little surface, you know. So I took both of them and I just separated it, and then I made magic. I also folded the hair, after I cut it, I folded the hair in half because who wants to sit there and wind the hair around and around and around more than they have to? So fold that track in half, sis. So for the part that we all been waiting for, I take the part of the track that's not like together, and I take about like, I'm really not good with measurements, that little bit that you saw, and I take that little piece and wrap it around my hair so it's like secured on the hair. You know, like if you pull it, you're gonna have to pull it because it's not gonna go without a fight. You know what I'm saying? Secure it. Take that bobby pin, secure that little piece, and then we get to wrapping. I just wrap it, okay? Don't worry about the bun aspect of this part at the moment. Just worry about wrapping the hair around securely so you have like a platform. And I do that for both sides. Aw, Curly Sue, she's so cute. But now that both are done, I'm gonna use a rubber band to just kind of like, you know, put the bun in place and then just wrap the excess hair around. That helped a lot because wrapping, I mean, yeah, it looks like I don't know what I'm doing, of course. But wrapping on a surface that's not already a bun is kind of hard. So I just kind of just used a rubber band, made my bun platform, and then went to work. The only thing I do not like about, you know, doing two bun buns, even though I love two bun buns, is that you're really not gonna have twin buns unless you just keep going. And like, who really wants to do that? So as long as your buns are somewhat symmetrical, you're good, girl, okay? Like, nobody is going to judge you. You might judge yourself because, of course, I'm judging myself at this point, but just make sure that they're at least, you know, similar. They don't have to be, they're kind of like eyebrows, I guess, how people try to tell me eyebrows are. Like, they're sisters, not twins. But hey, even if your buns look like, you know, they could be distant cousins, it's okay, girl. Just do it the best that you can and just keep molding it. And that's it, y'all. Thank you guys for watching. I had so much fun doing this style. Like, I love buns. I love two buns. Like, that's like my go-to favorite thing to do. So I'm so glad that my hair is actually long enough to do it. So if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please, please, please get at me. Yeah, just securing everything with the bobby pins, putting everything in place, and that's done. Thank you guys.